The 2025 Winnebago Solis Camper represents a perfect balance between functionality, comfort, and modern adventure-ready design. Built for travelers who love the open road but still crave home-like convenience, the Solis continues to refine what compact camper living can offer. It's crafted on a sturdy RAM ProMaster chassis, ensuring both reliability and smooth handling across highways, campgrounds, and scenic routes. The exterior design remains clean and purposeful, with practical touches like roof racks, solar panels, and a pop-top roof that opens up new possibilities for exploration. Inside, the Winnebago Solis 2025 embraces smart use of space, turning every inch into a usable feature. The interior layout offers a modular living setup that easily transforms between a lounge, kitchen, and sleeping quarters. High-quality materials, easy-to-clean surfaces, and soft LED lighting enhance the atmosphere, making the interior feel larger and more welcoming than expected. The pop-top sleeping area provides additional headroom and a comfortable bed for two, making it ideal for couples or small families. The kitchenette inside the Solis is compact but incredibly efficient. It features a stainless steel sink, two-burner propane stove, and a refrigerator, allowing travelers to prepare meals on the go without sacrificing quality. Storage compartments are cleverly hidden throughout the cabin, ensuring that gear, food, and essentials have a designated space. Even the dining area converts easily into a workspace or lounge area, appealing to digital nomads or remote workers who travel full-time. One of the most impressive features of the Solis 2025 is its off-grid capability. The integrated solar system, paired with a powerful lithium battery setup, allows for extended stays away from traditional campsites. The onboard freshwater and graywater tanks are designed for longer adventures, and the optional EcoBoost power system offers extra energy efficiency. Whether parked in a forest or at a beach, the Solis is designed to be self-sufficient and environmentally conscious. Comfort has also been prioritized for both the driver and passengers. The cockpit area comes with ergonomic seating, an intuitive dashboard, and excellent visibility. The 2025 model introduces new safety technologies such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Driving feels effortless, with improved suspension that reduces road noise and vibration even over rough terrain. The sleeping arrangements are flexible and cozy. The rear Murphy bed provides generous sleeping space for two adults, while the pop-top roof area comfortably fits two more. The insulation in the 2025 model has been upgraded, making it suitable for use in colder climates. Ventilation windows and blackout shades enhance comfort and privacy, while LED reading lights and USB ports near the beds add a modern touch. Winnebago also focused heavily on hygiene and convenience. The Solis includes a built-in wet bath with a cassette toilet and a shower system, which is a luxury feature in a camper of this size. The bathroom area is easy to clean and functional for extended trips, allowing campers to enjoy full independence on the road. Outdoor shower connections and water access points are also provided for added versatility. Technology integration in the 2025 Solis is another standout feature. The central control panel monitors all electrical systems, tank levels, and temperature settings at a glance. Wi-Fi and 4G connectivity options keep travelers connected, while USB and 110 volts outlets throughout the cabin support all modern gadgets. Optional upgrades include a built-in inverter, smart lighting, and enhanced air conditioning for year-round comfort. Winnebago's commitment to durability is evident throughout the Solis. The cabinetry is made from lightweight yet strong materials designed to handle road vibrations. The flooring resists moisture and scratches, ensuring it stays attractive after years of use. Every design detail, from the hinges to the water fittings, feels well thought out and practical for long-term travel. Another appealing aspect of the Solis 2025 is its ease of customization. Owners can choose between different layouts and optional features like roof racks, awnings, and upgraded interior finishes. This flexibility allows travelers to tailor their camper to their specific lifestyle, whether that means more storage for bikes or an expanded lounge area for relaxation. In terms of driving performance, the 2025 Solis offers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy for its class. The ProMaster engine delivers enough torque for steep climbs while remaining efficient on highways. Steering feels light, making maneuvering through city streets surprisingly simple. With front-wheel drive and good ground clearance, the Solis balances agility and stability. Overall, the Winnebago Solis 2025 redefines what's possible in a compact camper van. It combines rugged independence with luxurious touches, ensuring every journey is both comfortable and capable. For modern travelers who value flexibility, sustainability, and freedom, the Solis remains one of the best camper vans in its segment, ready to take on any adventure with confidence and style.